What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Mountain Creek Vlog 6. We're up at Creek today. It's beautiful. It's a beautiful day today. It's like 30 degrees, perfect blue skies. I'm out here by myself right now, but I'm supposed to be meeting up with my friend Chris soon. So, yeah. Most of the clips are probably gonna be POV today, until Chris gets here, but we'll see once he's here. Why is this guy parking so close to me? What the f? What? This dude's so close. I have like 3 feet. I don't know what his deal is. Anyway, yeah, so once Chris gets here, we'll probably do some follow cams or whatever, but for now it's just gonna be POV. It'll probably be a short video today. I don't think I'm gonna stay too long. But yeah, it's beautiful out, so I'm gonna get changed and we'll get out there. Alright, so we just got on the lift, first lift of the day. Barely anyone here, it's super nice out, and yeah, about to hit a couple runs. Alright, so I just took a warm-up lap, super nice out. Creek actually put out a few new features that are currently being groomed, so hopefully in the next couple runs they'll open up and you guys won't have to keep watching me do the same stuff over and over again. That'd be nice, right? Probably gonna take it kind of easy today because I'm by myself for now, so I'm not trying to get hurt. Hopefully we can get some nice clips. And here we are back in the car. Today was an interesting day. I had a fun time snowboarding, but like I wasn't landing tricks that I usually land. Things just felt off. But then on the other hand, I landed tricks I've never landed before, but couldn't land the ones that I should already have. So that brings me to the point of, no, I don't have a point. So I guess what I'm trying to say is, sometimes you have good days, sometimes you have bad days, and sometimes you just have... Wait, oh, hello? Hello? But yeah, that's gonna be the end of the video. Remember to leave a like if you enjoyed it, comment something interesting if you want, and yeah, subscribe if you're new here. So, word. Yeah, you can go to the outro now. Wait, real quick before I let you go. I also had a bunch of issues with the camera today. Well, not the camera, but one of my SD cards just kept bugging out on me. So I missed like a bunch of clips. So I don't know how much footage I'm missing. We'll find out when I'm editing. So yeah, don't expect much from this video. Mountain Creek Vlog 6 is over. We'll be back out here again soon. Might be coming tomorrow. Might be getting a lot of snow this weekend, so that'd be dope. Oh yeah, hi. Yeah, it's gonna snow this weekend? Ah, sick, thanks. All right, catch you later. Yeah, bye. But yeah, if it snows this weekend, you know I'm gonna be up here. Hopefully the roads won't be too bad and I'm able to actually drive up here, but either way, it should be fun. So yeah, thanks for watching.